Join me as I try to eat nothing but blueberries for a whole week to see if they really can boost my lifespan. When it comes to superfoods, there's one tiny fruit that stands out from the rest: blueberries. These small round fruits have been gaining popularity at an incredible rate, and it's not hard to see why. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that can help boost your overall health and well-being. We all know that maintaining a healthy diet can be a struggle. Life gets in the way, and before you know it, you're slipping back into old habits and relying on quick fixes and convenience foods. But the truth is, a healthy diet is essential for living a long and happy life. And that's where blueberries come in. They're the perfect addition to your diet to give you that extra health boost. But why do we need foods that can enhance our lifespan and overall well-being? Well, the answer is simple: we're living longer than ever before, and that means our bodies need more support to stay healthy. With the rise of chronic diseases, it's more important than ever to focus on preventative health measures, and that starts with the food we put into our bodies. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get stuck in a routine of convenience foods and quick meals. We're constantly being bombarded with advertisements for the latest fad diets and quick fixes, but the truth is, there's no shortcut to a healthy life. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to make changes to our daily habits. And that's where blueberries come in. They're the perfect addition to your diet to give you that extra health boost. So, why are blueberries so special? They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even slow down the signs of aging. One of the most impressive things about blueberries is their high antioxidant capacity. Antioxidants are essential for fighting off free radicals in the body, which can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases. Blueberries contain some of the highest levels of antioxidants among all fruits and vegetables, making them the perfect addition to your diet. But that's not all. They're also rich in vitamins C and K, as well as manganese and fiber. It's no wonder that blueberries have been linked to a range of health benefits, from reducing the risk of heart disease to improving cognitive function. So, what does the science say about blueberries and their impact on our health? Well, numerous studies have shown that consuming blueberries can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating blueberries daily can improve memory and cognitive function, while another study found that blueberry consumption can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 15%. The evidence is clear: blueberries are a superfood that deserves a place in our diets. One of the most compelling pieces of research I came across was a study that found that eating blueberries can increase our lifespan. The study, published in the Journal of Gerontology, found that mice that were fed blueberries lived up to 15% longer than those that didn't receive the fruit. Now, I know what you're thinking: mice aren't humans, so how does this translate to us? Well, the science is clear. The antioxidants and nutrients found in blueberries have a profound impact on our cells and DNA, which can lead to a longer and healthier life. But it's not just about the science. I've also come across numerous testimonials from people who have seen a significant improvement in their health after adding blueberries to their diet. From improved energy levels to reduced inflammation, the benefits of blueberries are clear. So, how can you start incorporating more blueberries into your diet? Try adding them to your oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. You can even snack on them as a healthy alternative to chips or crackers. When it comes to exploring the benefits of superfoods, I've decided to undertake a bold experiment: eating nothing but blueberries for an entire week. Why? Because these small, unassuming fruits are touted as one of the healthiest foods on the planet. They're often called nature's candy, but their health benefits go far beyond their sweet taste. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promise everything from better heart health to improved brain function and even a longer lifespan. But can they live up to the hype? I decided to put them to the test. Superfoods are a term often used for nutrient-rich foods that are particularly beneficial for health and well-being. Among these, blueberries stand out. Native to North America, they've been a staple in indigenous diets for centuries. Today, they're a favorite in smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. But what makes blueberries so special? Let's dive into their nutritional profile. 1. Antioxidants galore. 2. Blueberries boast some of the highest levels of antioxidants among all fruits and vegetables. 2. Antioxidants are compounds that neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. 2. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly a group called anthocyanins, give them their vibrant blue color and potent health benefits. 3. Packed with essential nutrients. 4. A single cup of blueberries contains vitamin C, supports immune function and skin health. Vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Manganese, helps with bone development and metabolism. Fiber, aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. 5. Low in calories, high in benefits. 6. Blueberries are a guilt-free indulgence at just 84 calories per cup that offers a wealth of nutrients without breaking your calorie bank. Several studies have explored the link between blueberries and a longer, healthier life. Here are some key findings. 1. Cognitive health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of blueberries improved memory and cognitive function in older adults. 1. This is attributed to their ability to protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. 2. Heart health. Research has shown that eating blueberries can reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and enhancing arterial function. 2. One study found that consuming a cup of blueberries daily reduced the risk of heart disease by 15%. 3. Anti-aging effects. Blueberries' antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, a major factor in the aging process. 3. By protecting cells and DNA from damage, they may slow down signs of aging both inside and out. 4. Extended lifespan. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of Gerontology showed that mice fed a diet supplemented with blueberries lived 15% longer than their counterparts. 4. While human studies are still needed, this finding underscores the potential of blueberries to promote longevity. To truly understand the impact of blueberries, I decided to commit to eating only blueberries for a week. Here's what happened during my blueberry journey. Day 1. Optimism and curiosity. I started the week with excitement. Blueberries were delicious, and the idea of eating a food so rich in nutrients made me feel virtuous. Breakfast was a simple blueberry smoothie with water and ice. Lunch was a bowl of fresh blueberries, and dinner was the same. While I felt satisfied, I also noticed my cravings for salty and savory foods kicking in. Day 2-3, adjustment period. By the second day, I began to miss the variety of flavors and textures in a regular diet. However, I noticed some positive changes. My energy levels seemed steady, and my digestion felt light and efficient. The fiber content in blueberries certainly helped keep things moving smoothly. By day 3, the monotony of the diet was evident. I craved something warm and savory, but I stuck to the plan. I tried experimenting by freezing the blueberries for a different texture, which added some novelty to the experience. By midweek, I felt a surprising sense of mental clarity and physical lightness. My skin seemed to have a natural glow, and I had no bloating or sluggishness. The antioxidants in blueberries might have been working their magic, as I felt more alert and energetic than usual. Day 6-7. Counting down. As much as I enjoyed the health benefits, I was ready for the experiment to end. By day 6, I was dreaming of warm meals and savory flavors. However, I couldn't deny the positive changes I noticed. My mood was stable, my digestion was excellent, and I felt lighter overall. The experiment ended with a newfound appreciation for variety in my diet, and a lasting respect for blueberries. While my week-long experiment was enlightening, it also underscored the importance of balance in a diet. Blueberries are undoubtedly a nutritional powerhouse, but no single food can provide all the nutrients our bodies need. Here's what I learned. 1. Incorporation over exclusivity. Blueberries are best enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. 1. Pair them with other nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains for a comprehensive health boost. 2. Sustainability matters. Eating a single food exclusively is neither sustainable nor enjoyable in the long run. 2. Variety is key to maintaining a healthy relationship with food. 3. Practical benefits. Blueberries are versatile, portable, and require no preparation. 3. They're an easy addition to almost any meal or snack. If my experiment has inspired you to eat more blueberries, here are some delicious ideas to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Smoothies. Blend blueberries with spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a nutrient-packed breakfast. 2. Oatmeal toppings. Add fresh blueberries to your morning oats for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. 3. Salads. Toss blueberries into a spinach salad with goat cheese, walnuts, and a balsamic glaze for a savory sweet combo. 4. Desserts. Use blueberries as a topping for yogurt or mix them into muffin batter for a healthier treat. 5. Snacks. Freeze blueberries for a refreshing snack on hot days. Blueberries are undeniably one of nature's most remarkable foods. While eating them exclusively for a week isn't practical or necessary, adding them to your daily diet can bring profound health benefits. From improved brain function to better heart health and potentially even longer life, these little blue gems pack a big punch. So the next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on blueberries and let their vibrant goodness enhance your meals, and maybe even your lifespan. To recap, blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in our diets. With their high antioxidant capacity, vitamins, and minerals, it's no wonder they've been linked to a range of health benefits, from improving heart health to increasing our lifespan. So, make sure to add blueberries to your shopping list and start reaping the rewards of this amazing superfood. I'd love to hear from you. How do you like to enjoy blueberries? Do you have a favorite recipe or snack? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on healthy foods that can change your life. Thank you.